Hi, it's Les. Now, let's talk about how you can monetize your Substack newsletter. Let's talk about three ways today, very briefly. Okay, the first and most obvious way is to monetize your content, and you do that through the subscriptions feature on Substack. So you can have free content, and then you can have content that people have to pay to see, or you can offer your subscribers something extra for taking up a free membership with you. So that's the first and most obvious way, which is to monetize your newsletter through the subscriptions feature on Substack. Now, the second way, and actually the way that you're probably going to make a lot more money than subscriptions, because paid subscriptions are quite difficult to get these days, is to offer some kind of digital product through your Substack. So this could be one simple product that solves one simple problem for your audience and something you can probably build in just a weekend. Now, in fact, if you go over to my Substack, you'll find lots of information on this. I'll leave a link to my Substack in the description so you can shoot over there if you want to and have a look at that. All right. And obviously, if you're selling a digital product that you've created, or your third option is to sell an affiliate product, in other words, sell someone else's product, the best way to do that is to give something away for free, like a lead magnet. And I'll discuss that with you over on the Substack. So you could create a lead magnet, and then you have a very, very simple sales funnel. It's not difficult to do. Again, it's something I go into on my Substack, but a very basic sales funnel with an email follow-up sequence. So in other words, the potential customer takes your free product, so you send them a small sequence of emails, and at the end of that, you'll ask them to purchase a product. So that's the three basic methods that are the most effective. And bear in mind that selling your own digital products or selling an affiliate product can be a lot more lucrative than just trying to sell paid subscriptions. Now, obviously, building your credibility on Substack, the main feature at the moment to do that is Substack Notes. All right, and I generally post to Substack Notes, let's say, three to five times a day, but one to three times a day is plenty. So what I've done also in the description, I've given you a link to my 100 Substack Notes opening gambits, so you can, instead of having to think of an opening to your notes every time, I've given you 100 to get you started off. And all you do, if you want to post three times a day to notes, which I suggest to build your audience, just use these opening gambits that I've given you. There's 100 there, so if you do use three a day, they'll last you a month, and then you can just rinse and repeat from there. Well, that's it. The three methods to monetize, or the three main methods to monetize your Substack. If that was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Pick up your notes openings, which are, as I say, are in the description. I shoot over to my Substack, but there's a bunch of information there to help you further. Okay, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.